Come test drive 2021 NV. You're a lot more than what it says on your calling card, and you need your vehicle to be more than a van. You demand innovation and versatility. You need it to be your mobile office, your workshop, and your billboard on wheels. The Nissan NV is for you and is priced below $30,000. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, brake assist, traction control, front wheel independent suspension, speed control, low tire pressure warning, trip computer, power windows, power steering, tachometer. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.